to another bartender special where we'll be showing you the Quickfoot Winner Date competition hosted by Willie's Thatch Roof, located at 115A Malines Road. Now, we throw out a winner date competition for Quickfoot. Because the females them are going with themselves and talk about him cute and they want to see him face and all of these things. But none of them never want to step up to the plate. However, one brave soul did. And guess what? We're in for a surprise. Let's start where him pick her up. And they took a beautiful walk on the waterfront. Nice. And see when them go back in the car, they look like them have a connection. But that wasn't it. When they got to Willie's Thatch Roof restaurant, at this sort of bashment start. And guess what? They had a personal photographer from Roddock's Photo Studio taking pictures for the night. Look, oh, I got jealous. So when you hear me tell them, I say, them get a personal photographer, right? When we got on the inside, they got a personal spot. I mean, the spot just lit. Decor, balloon, the whole works. This is where we asked the young lady to introduce herself.
My name is Carrie Alford. and definitely I'm from Central Kingston, and I am a practical nurse and also going to pre-UE studying for medical doctor. Well, with the bartender, it's amazing journey with you guys, the crew and everything, this sequence, the scenes, exciting. Honestly, I don't have any fault. And winning the day, yeah, I'm have to win it. They can't say bad bartender, don't try this something. I don't, my heart that hurt me still, but guess what, I'm gonna win Queen of the Pack. See that? With quick food character right now, he's masculine, definitely, and he's very bold, and he stands to his ground and doing whatever he thinks is right and believe in what he thinks is right. So it's amazing as well because most males appointed do not understand what the role is being a man in the streets or being at the head of the household. So definitely did a great job, and so far it's good for him. Yeah, my blush them now look a short too, but yeah, it's amazing. I'm very excited. Never know when I win, but it kind of feel good. So yeah. Okay, first of all, I remember was sleeping and I heard my grandma watching something on YouTube. So it got my attention to turn around and I saw it. I saw Browning meeting as Goody and Bubbles and Five. So I said, no man, this one look exciting, and got me up in the rainy weather. And there it was like, to me, it's like a movie coming through because it draws most attention in every sequence that I can think of. Then the local family come internet box and my fair walk and beg did you sell? Continue watching. It was fun and amazing, honestly.
Good. You know, anything for the show, you know. So the ladies them say them want to win the date. I'm all for it. Nice. Breeze will blow off my shirt silk. I don't know silk, you know, but beautiful. Pretty girl. Nice. Yes, it's a sure for all that. So bring it on, please.
Now the shocking part of the evening for me was the drinks order. Me ask what on a drinking. This big man ever tell me
Cranberry.
Okay.
cranberry and a lemon beer. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Cranberry him go? That's
In week. I don't understand the part there. Cranberry? Yeah. It means something charming. As we say, shine and say, really sure you want to get this up?
Get me a Magnum.
Okay, that will work, Magnum.
And me, I drink something stronger than him. What I think. Anyway, we left them to do the conversation thing, you know, get to know each other, you know, a little bit the background and all of these things.
My son?
Yeah.
How old is
son.
this one?
13 years old.
Oh, you have a big man.
Mm-hmm.
So you need one more.
Mm-hmm. But doesn't find the perfect candidate yet.
So why searching for a perfect candidate?
Not really searching for a perfect one, but just to find the right person.
But when you keep on looking for the right person, you're not going to end up with the right person. Because you're looking for all the perfection in that person. When you just let everything flow, that's how it is. And then definitely you see the real that you're looking for. It's just that you're planning out what you're looking for, but when you enter it, it's just that what you're looking, but you're not getting it. So it won't be perfect. Everything's going to be messy at times. So you just need the relationship to flow. Then you see a perfect candidate, they can think of going ahead with that part.
Do you have any kids?
Yeah, I have a 3-year-old going to 4. Boy.
So what's his name?
Oh, his name is Dream, or I'm calling Casey. Yes, sir?
Jericho. Call him JJ.
My cousin named Draco, and so it was easy to remember.
See it? What a coincidence.
Whatever. But these are the stated age. How old are you? Yeah, one.
How old are you?
26 June, but you look like 33 still. Can't trick me.
No, like.
Yes, it's 28. Indifferent.
What's that? So this is a number, I guess.
Sometimes. But great performance. You say the producing, you're an actor.
Not for this.
So I don't know, so we have to spice up the evening. Not true. This is what we did. We gave them questions where the young lady had to ask Quickfoot a question and Quickfoot had to ask she a question. Here is what happened. If he got it wrong, he would have to lift her and take her to the table. And then if she get her question wrong, she would have to time shoes lace on watch a drama here.
So Quickfoot, when was the first episode of Bartender posted? Month and the date.
I don't know. Let me guess though. 2018. April the 21st.
I never asked for the airport yet. The months, but the date. They give me the month now, but I need the date.
21st? Get the muffler.
I'm not that waiting, don't do that.
Get the muffler and pop up. I joke. Yeah, man. Do this again. Let him say push up again.
Hey,
No, you wait it. Go. You wait it. Oi! Oi! Sit down, help yourself. I can't, man.
no, this is.
I need some coconut milk in our porridge. Oh, people help me. Everybody.
That wasn't bad.
Alright, so next question. Yeah, get ready to tie shoes this car. You're not gonna get this. Alright, my question to you is which episode Princess first appeared in?
Wow. Episode
It's
4.
It's season 5, you know. So
Oh, season.
season 5, but which episode?
You asked episode.
Yeah. So that's what make it clear.
So it's in season.
Season 5. But which episode?
So episode 4.
Wrong. Yes.
So which episode you even tell me?
Episode 8.
You tell me?
Then they go home after that.
So I really forgot, like, recap on my mate. That not make sense?
Recap. Yeah, man, I feel like an African kid. Not the same thing in Africa.
Really? You win today.
Basic school, you know, win one round too. Basic school, tired of me.
What you do? At least it's tight now.
After the questions and all, it was time to take a little stroll, view the place, and see what the place look like in the night. It's a beautiful property, people. Then came the question of the night. The one thing that every female wants to see.
I can see your face now.
Sure, you're ready?
I am ready. Wow, you look expensive too, but weird. You're cute.
So what you expect?
Seriously, I'm seeing your face. It's cute.
You expecting to have a big nose, so?
No, I'm a big guy with spread, so that.
Listen to me. When you don't DM me, try not cuss me. Cause me the things that the director gonna make you see him face.
But why not mash up the dandelions? I don't know I care for this time.
Huh? That much it up. That's how you go. That's not real life.
Code is life. I always remember.
Oh no, wait. Yeah. I write it so una go see him face when them stand up and attack. Right so.
Yeah, but sometimes it could get mashed up and you have to fix it back.
Oh, I love mash up things and fix it back. I love rare.
But alive, that's how you go.
So that means there's so many relationships where you mash them and kind of fix them.
No, not me. Directly mash them up to them.
Yeah, here you said not me directly.
Yeah, but that is life as I tell you. Things happen.
Things happen.
You have to sort out it.
Yeah, but sometimes things are meant to work. It happens naturally.
Right.
But you look like you love fix things.
Must Bob the builder.
Well, as long as I Bob the builder. Who's up the builder?
So you love Bob the builder.
Right it. So I'm never sure. Me think it. Oh, me know which part. You see right which part when them I take picture, and that's where you gonna see him face. Yeah. Why I can't help you now? I don't know. Me swear the director they're gonna make something happen. But no. Yeah, man, you're not gonna see. Let me tell you now which part you're not gonna see. You see when at dinner time, him have to take it off to eat. Him face have to show.
Oh. So it's on the way, Villa.
Oh yeah, drink number.
No. Fresh.
So listen, what tell them say is Valentines win a date. When they can't just sit down and eat just so, spice up the thing, no man. So this is what they gave us.
Wickedness, this, you know. You ready?
So you think that it's spicy enough? Me and my partner in crime, Tesfa, never think it's spicy enough. So this is what we had in store.
Alright, so the data go good, but I think we need to spice up.
Alright.
So you can ask them a question. Two of them can answer together as a team. I can get it wrong, then they must bird feed them all.
Sorry.
Bird feed.
Alright, so question.
Whoa.
Question. How answer?
Yeah, we have some questions.
I'll ask them the name, the three of the characters there.
The real name, the full name. Oh, that's
Real
that's
name,
that's
full
so good.
name.
Alright, which one?
I use you.
My name class all over the place.
All them here is test for.
Alright, make us see.
They don't know you're
Alright, make us see.
So we ever use you.
Go on and get you wrong still.
Yeah, but we ever
Look at one bird feeding go.
We ever use you. We ever use Woody.
Okay, they're probably not
Them
remember.
let know. And we ever use 5.
Yeah, they're not remember 5 years. They're not
Yeah,
remember 5 years.
Because I think what whole heap of people not pay attention to is when the
The
names
credits
them
that
go
come
and
up
the
and the
attitude. So
And
that.
then this year we never have no montage where
You see the bird feed
is another one.
Finish right.
Mad thing.
Good night. Again. How does it go? Alright, I'm good. Alright, so the bit look nice and hot and all of these things, but it wants spice up a bit. Yes, a spice. Sure. No. Alright, so listen. We've been asking you guys questions from night. So here is the final question of the night. To wrap things up. This is for both of you. So, we're asking you to name 3 of the characters in the show, but you're going to give us their right name and their full name. So we're asking you 3 characters. What is Carlton's real name? Oh, we can team up, you know. Remember, you're giving us the full name. And it yes.
That's what. Edward, I think.
Alright. If you tell me, say that one day was easy, you know. Alright. What is Goody Plum full name right now?
No, Goody Plum.
Goody Plum.
Yes, Jason, alright. Jason,
1 o'clock. Tasty.
alright.
That's a 2. Test form.
Okay.
Alright, so last name. Drum roll. What is 5? Full.
Shani. Well, what the heck? Well,
Come out with the name.
so my next one name for the
Come out with the name. Come out with our full name, Shanice.
well.
Well,
No, Welch.
Okay. What? Test for. Where are you? Right there. Don't move. Test for. She get 1.5. Him get 1.5. We'll have 1 more to do.
Better than no matter. Try it. I can guarantee.
It can get it.
Bird feeding like one, Mr. Man. Bird feeding like one, like wedding.
Yeah, take your advice. Alright.
Try it.
Alright. So we are test for plan up now. So we have 1 more name. 1.
Jesus.
Test for you, we can make sure it works. What is Marcus' full name?
That wicked that.
only Marcus again.
That wicked Carlton, brother.
Oh,
Oh, sure.
you remember in first name?
5 seconds.
Remember last name.
1. Test for it to work. Oh.
Frodo.
Yeah.
Frodo.
3.
Marcus.
4.
Marcus
Wally.
Mary.
5. Finish up. Test for we did a good job.
Yes, I guess.
His right name is Michael Ford.
Oh no.
What do you mean?
Oh, you work with him and I know that. Oh, you
At name. So guess what now? Test for who win? Bird feeding time.
What?
How you do this? Child. So we take a long. We get right.
Why?
Right, that's all right. We will smart part.
You're jealous, not true. Not true, not talk truth. Guess what? We threw out the competition and this young lady just happened to be the one lucky one that won. And she get to see him face. Them all get for the bird style feeding. We don't make no heart drop out. Do. Not make no heart drop out. We had one more special moment for the night.
People, I hope I enjoy the winner date with Quick Foot so far. I mean, she looked lovely. We know another one, beat the girl, but leave her alone. She looks lovely and they're having a great time. But the evening has been going good and we have with us Mr. Rashane Ruddock.
Yes.
And he will tell you what he has been doing this evening.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon, folks. Alright, my name is Rashane Ruddock. I have been providing the photography and I also provide a lovely basket to the young lady Kelly. And look at the basket right here. So we have a snow globe. What is it?
Shake it up, make it right. Ah, watch there.
So we have a snow globe right here. We have a lovely
Bartender
chocolate.
picture.
So it's a fully bartender basket.
So, Rashane, where can people find you if they need a product like this? Because Valentine's are coming, I know that enough people want something to give them loved ones. So, how can they find you? You have social media, where is your studio located, all of that. Give us that information.
Alright, so we're located at 56D Studio 1 Boulevard in Crossroads, Kingston 5. And our Instagram handle is Ruddock_photography.
Okay, cool. You get that? Ruddock_photography. Right? Alright. So, anything else? You do birthdays, people can hire you for birthday, for weddings, what? Talk to us.
Yes, so we do weddings, birthday, we do photo shoots, we do birthday basket, Valentine basket, anything we have to do with photography and videography, we do.
Nice. So people, let's go back and see what I go on. Because Quick Foot need to give her a basket and thing, but stay tuned. So Kelly,
Oh, Carrie. Carrie.
it's Kerry.
Yes, not
You see,
Carrie.
me that's me can't go on date because I get in trouble with me. I call the wrong name. So Kerry, on behalf of our sponsors, we are going to ask Quickfoot to present you with a little token, a gift. You know, Valentine's a come up and thing. So come in, Magenta.
Wow.
So you like it?
Yeah. Wow. And it's never party that can put up over just now. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Well appreciate it.
Nah, let go.
Wow, now my favorite chocolate. Yeah, you know, it's the greatest in there. Wow. Thank you guys.
Thank you for entering. So, Kerry,
Yes.
the date is almost over.
Yeah, I see.
How was it for you?
Breathtaking. That's what I could say, breathtaking. Well, I'm very happy, honestly, and it's a very exciting adventure. And I hope I'll come back again with the next challenge. Yeah.
You know, we no more date.
Well, Bartender Win with himself, not lie, and I very much appreciate it.
So you get to see what most women want to see, which is Quickfoot's face. How is it? Everything that you expected, or more?
Everything a dream come true. As mama said, breathtaking.
Okay.
Right there, so. Right there, so serious. I'm nervous.
All right. So just shout out to anybody you want. Shout out to anybody who help you fix your hair and
Oh,
your
Jesus.
jewelry and all these things. Put your outfit together.
Okay, first of all, I want to shout out to Bartender as well for your guys' challenge as well. If it wasn't for the challenge, I wouldn't be here. As well, thank you so much again for giving me the opportunity. And your grandma, you can't see me now. When I'm big bad bartender. Okay, look, Valentine Day, I don't want to get nothing. One bash, me get it. See right there, so. I want to take it. Watch them now. Watch she. Watch my crew. Look on Bartender.
To all our viewers and subscribers, we want to thank you for being a part of another beautiful bartender special, the Quickfoot Winner Date story. A story this. We would like to thank our sponsors, Willie's Thatch Roof Restaurant, located at 115A Malines Road, and Roddock's Photo Studio, located at 56 Studio One Boulevard. Listen, we know we're always up for surprises, and it's Valentine's Day. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah.
So this is courtesy of Roddock's
Photo Studio.
Photo Studio. Roshane. Roshane sent us a basket that he did personally. And this is a Valentine's basket, a personalized Valentine's basket. And Shelly is going to pull the basket now to see what goodies we have in it.
The picky bowl.
I think that is what it is made for, to pull a bow to get to whatever you're going for. That's how it
I
works.
think the best thing for them to have like
Every time you come back,
yeah, mash up everything here. Okay. So, starting with
the personalized things.
this is a snowball, a personalized snowball. Let's see how it light up. Yo, you just have to shake it and it light up.
Is
A bottle of wine
bottle of wine
with 2 key rings.
and the key rings. Again, the key rings and personalized. And we have a picture frame. Yeah. Body.
Wow.
And we have wow. Look at this. Bad. Forever in love. And she is going to get busy because this is her absolute favorite.
Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero.
But they don't try. Don't try.
Yeah, yeah. Collection. And we have
Wait, you need to read what is on the glass.
Forever in Love.
No.
I'm his hall. I'm hers hall. Oh, me never see that part here. I'm his. No, me for read this. No, me for read. Yeah, me for read this. I'm hers.
I'm her hall.
Yeah.
Aww.
And
This is so cute. Oh, personalized cushion.
yeah. I have found the one whom my soul loves. Body. And again, it is courtesy of Rodux Photo Studio.
Studios.
Where are they located?
They are located. Never tell you. Rodux Photo Studio. They are located at 56D Studio One Boulevard. Contact number 754, and remember the 1876 754 8448. IG Roddock _ that is RUDDOCK _ photography. Please go check them out. Look here. This is my snowball. You see the picture inside of it? Amazing, isn't it? A nice bottle of wine with the 2 keychains. Your picture frame. Gorgeous, isn't it? Personalized cushion. It says on the back, I have found the one whom my soul loves. Yeah. Personalized glass. Forever love. I'm his hall. I'm her hall. So remember, guys, go check them out. Roddock Photo Studios, 56D Studio One Boulevard. IG RUDDOCK _ photography. Just link them up. Anything at all. They do photos for weddings. They do photos for birthdays. Any function at all. Anniversary, you name it. They're also going into canvassing. So link them and tell you. Bad.